Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, who is responsible for assembling the policy forms for insureds? One option, state insurance departments. Two option, NAIC. Three, insurance carriers. Four option, insurance producers. The correct answer to the question is, insurance carriers are responsible for assembling policy forms for insureds, whereas state insurance departments and NAIC regulate the industry but do not assemble policies. Explanations: the party responsible for assembling the policy forms for insureds is the insurance carriers. So they are the correct answer of the question. If any question really a comment, I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.